soccer. Creeping on play called score. The score on air at 3 day, out on from 3 day. The lane burn on a wall. The nice good on it. The nice on the floor. Vishe on the floor. Rooney Conor Murray, Lake na Himmerka, Vishe on the wall. Neil Ronagar on the odds, Mar Neil Chase is na here. Lake on air and then on the tomorrow. Mission from Roger. The Kilkenny giver tonight, Tipperdorn lay down. Being scored at Hammond, Kilkenny 1-9, Tipperdorn 2-11. Operation Dara last on the block. Being scored, Kilkenny 1-19, Tipperdorn 2-7. Ford Walter agus, Tommy Walsh, part of Dara, Agus Vishe and Kevin is 15 and 11. Louis Brennan Mars, Tipperdorn, Lake Himmerton. We bring Cody Custom or Kyle Sheet Night Tipperdorn, Agus we Able O'Shea on the sauce or Louis Sheet Night Kilkenny. Taking their shot to Big Kilkenny, give her tonight, Ford Norris, Parky Nuacht. Agus Big Tipperdorn, give her tonight, Gallium, Stod McPherce. Stay down, Big St. Thomas, they give her tonight, Kilcormac Floppies, and Tim Canish, Craig Sung in the Hair. Be St. Thomas is in the one east, they're going to be Gallium. Agus be Kilcormac Floppies in the one east, they're going to be Upton. It's mission for more adrenaline on shots, solid simple, doors from the Timberwolves. The Derfloor, Floyd Ricknums, Kieran on Inard, and Rick set on the Europe Indoor Crazy Fortress, Sasula. Connie Derfloor, Tuckaroo Hot, Ishiana Oz. Connie Derfloor, Truer Hot, Ishiana Oz. August, Connie Kieran on Inard, Truer Hot, Pressure. Be Kieran on Inard, August, Bill Brittany, Rick set 3 meters, August. The Derfloor is the Rick set Shasta meters, August. Sinné and Ish Lake again.